Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a couple of days that I've missed my videos. I'm super sad that I didn't get to do Vlogmas because I was really interested in doing that, believe it or not. But I obviously didn't. But anyways, in the next clip you're going to see me making my lip gloss. Basically, I show you guys how I make my lip scrub, my lip gloss. I think it's my lip scrub. I'm going to show you guys how I make my lip scrub for my business. If you are unaware of what this is about, just make sure you check out the description. All the links will be down below. I do have a website. It's .com. I do own the domain. It took me a really long time to figure out how to do this on my own because I am an individual business owner. I do not have a team. I am going to start up an ambassador program very soon, but obviously when I'm more later into this because it's early and I don't have that type of funds yet, but it will happen. You know, 2020 is my year for my business to rise, and basically what my business is about is you can get lip scrubs. It's basically lip care. I sell lip gloss. Everything is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, homemade, natural ingredients in my products. I always have a new product at least every week, but today is the 18th, and I did order some stuff like 3-4 days ago, and some of the things are from AliExpress, some are from Alibaba, some are from Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. So I do have to wait for those things to come in. It is going to take a couple of days because it's been a long time. And I did order a tripod, so I'm super excited. I'll be able to show you guys how I make my lip gloss even better in a better view because I have my tripod coming in, so I'm super excited. It was super cheap, and it's like the same ones that I see everybody have that they spend like $40-50 for, and I got it literally for $8. Like, I know the plugs. I'm going to be showing you guys how I make it. More videos will be coming soon on my business and how I do this, how I do that. But I'm not going to be letting out too many secrets and tips of mine because, you know, this is how I run my business. And, you know, these are my tips. I worked really hard on doing research to do this by myself. And I feel like everybody else should do their research too because this is something hard to do, especially if you're doing it on your own. Everybody should be able to do this on their own, and you shouldn't have to get your ideas stolen from you. But as well as I'm not saying that I don't want you guys to take any of my tips. Like, that's not a problem. But as well as I'm not going to be sharing like too many because, you know, I worked really hard on finding this out. It took me a long time, and when I needed help, I would comment under everybody's videos and pictures on YouTube or Instagram, and nobody wanted to help me. So, you know, everybody else, I guess we just have to look at it at our own. So yeah, and I've been doing this all by my iPhone and my tablets. I do not have a computer. I do not have a professional camera. Everything is literally all thinking, like all my phone. Like, I don't have a computer yet. Soon I will, but literally this is all just me, like, doing the hacks, finding everything out, how I can take good pictures for my viewers. And, you know, you want to give good content, especially if you're selling beauty products. And my beauty line is Official ZM Beauty. So yeah, I'm super excited. If you haven't watched my video before, I suggest you watch it before you keep on continuing to watch this video because I do explain how I started, and this is basically how I'm making it. It's going to be right up here. Make sure you click that video so you can already know what this is about and get a little idea of what I'm going to be doing in this video. So yeah, without further ado, let's continue on to this video because my intro is too long and I talk too much. I've been talking too fast, and oh my god. Hope you enjoy and have a blessed week. Love y'all, and I'll see you guys next week in the next week's video, or maybe even sooner than that. I have a lot of videos I have to drop, so yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and also turn on your post notifications for my channel. And yeah, and I did want to say that it's not a video where like I'm explaining everything because obviously those are my tips. I'm not going to give all my tips out because I worked really hard on finding how to do this on my own, and I feel like we all deserve a chance to do it on our own. So yeah.
My bag, but I mean his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
you.